Alright everybody, this is the start of the football field. We've already got the acrylic already cut up. The center layer, I've already cut the channel out for the addressable RGBs that we're going to be putting down the center of that. I'll be showing more of that later on once we get a little bit farther into this. Today we just got the top of it frosted, and the as you can see, the vinyl's already laid down. I'm going to leave the top layer on because it allows me to use some markings to, for starting of the lining up of the hash marks. Once I get the first 50-yard line one down there, or at least lined up, it'll give me a better area so that I can measure everything out evenly. On one end we have the Go Hawks for the end zone. That will be at the front of the case, and on the back of the case will be the Seahawks logo, as you can see right here. So I will be back shortly to show you the next few stages of this, and we'll see you soon. So here we go. LEDs are installed, just got to glue this bottom panel on, but yeah, she's looking pretty freaking awesome like this. I'm loving it. Just need to do a little touch up in a little bit, and we'll be all set. Okay everyone, so we are back. The lights are on. The only thing left is to put the magnets for mounting this on. As you can see, the RGB, addressable RGBs are going through. Right now we got it going in white. We might try some other colors. We're going to play with this once we get it going. But I'd like to say I think it turned out pretty decent. There's a few things I would have probably changed. Maybe go with pointing the lights in instead of from the center or something, or a smaller logo in the middle so I don't see the LEDs as much. But you know what? Hey, not bad, because this is the first time seeing a football field, especially with this much real estate in it. I think it turned out pretty good. So, hey, any recommendations, comments, please feel free to leave them. Thanks. Okay, here's what it's going to look like on a case. So, yeah, this is going to be pretty freaking badass. So, we just got to do some touch-up, and she's ready to go once we're done with the touch-ups. So, that shouldn't take too long. And then also we need to clean the all the exposed glass with alcohol to clean the glue residue from the vinyl off, and we're done, Jack. So yeah, this is what you're gonna be getting. Go Hawks! Showtime, baby.
All I can say is just 4 letters. Dope. That's what I'm talking about. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. Go Hawks! That is so tight. Look at that, man. This is what we've been waiting for right here.
Okay, this is kind of cool.
You guys ain't getting to see it right now. I'm seeing it right now. I get to see it first. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, that is so smooth right there.
Get him saying Go Hawks.
Look at that.
Here, do Go Hawks
yeah,
for the
check
screen.
these guys out. Oh, we're filming each other.
Yeah,
Go
Hawks.
All right, here we go. We're out. Peace.
All right, we're back, and here we go. Here's the football field installed. This is the final parts to it. We even got the little screen down here with some football highlights, which you're not going to see through the camera, of course. We got the infinity mirror. This is the final project, and we're going to be having a final showcase of the whole thing. It will be showcased at PAX, and we'll be sending videos of that shortly. Enjoy. Go Hawks!